Hello, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is January 8th, 2025, and we're analyzing the SPY, the S&P 500 ETF. Recent news headlines point to a mixed market sentiment. Some sources report that the S&P 500 slipped 1.1%, while others mention positive economic data. Let's examine the daily chart for SPY. We can see a recent significant drop in price, indicating a bearish trend. This decline may be influenced by the conflicting news reports. However, it's important to consider the bigger picture. Over the past few months, the SPY has shown periods of both bullish and bearish activity. There's a clear level of resistance around the 475 price level, and we can see support around the 425 level. In short term, the trend is bearish, but long-term prospects are uncertain. Now, let's look at the hourly chart of the SPY for a more granular perspective. We're looking at the candles from January 6, 2025. On the hourly chart, we can observe shorter-term fluctuations within the overall bearish trend on the daily chart. Notice how the prices bounced back from the support levels after significant drops. This pattern suggests that the current bearish pressure could be temporary. The 15-minute chart provides an even closer look at the intraday price action. Notice the volatility and rapid price swings within shorter periods. Let's zoom into the recent price drop. We see that the drop was relatively quick and sharp. However, if you look at the volume, the recent price action doesn't reflect huge trading volume, indicating that the market is less certain of the bearish trend. Based on our analysis, here's a recap. The overall trend of the SPY in the long term remains uncertain, but there's a recent bearish trend in the short term. Key support levels are around 425 on the daily chart and 585 on the hourly chart. Resistance is around 475 on the daily chart and 600 on the hourly chart. The likelihood of the SPY breaking through the resistance level depends on various factors. A strong positive news event or a significant increase in trading volume could trigger a bullish reversal. Conversely, a sustained increase in negative news or a lack of buying pressure could solidify the bearish outlook. In terms of what to look for, observe the price action around the support and resistance levels. Note the volumes for each candle. Increased volume in an upward direction suggests strong buying pressure and may lead to a break through resistance. Keep an eye out for news related to economic data and global market events, as these significantly influence the SPY's price movements. Remember, this analysis is purely for educational purposes, and market predictions are inherently uncertain.